Bonjour mes amis, bonjour. Hier soir, j'avais un rêve. Last night, I had a dream. Un rêve avec les petits gâteaux. A dream with cupcakes in it. Les petits gâteaux qui tombaient du ciel. They were falling from the sky. One after another, after another. Et j'ai mangé tous les petits gâteaux. And I ate all of them. And I put them all in my tummy. How many do you think I could eat? Combien de petits gâteaux est-ce que je peux manger? Why don't we try some and see? Can you help me count? Oui? Okay. Are you ready? I'm ready. Un, deux, trois, quatre, cinq, six, sept, huit, neuf, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, je suis pleine. I'm full. Oh, but those were delicious.